Hello, I hope you are doing well. So we are in mathematics, and in mathematics we are in geometry. In geometry we are in coordinate geometry. So coordinate, this is x axis, this is y dash. So let's start. We distance between 2 points such as x1 and x2 can be found by this equation coordinate. So d is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square under root r x2 minus x1. This is absolute. So when something is in absolute, let's say if it's 5, so it's mean it's also 5 and 5. There are two solutions. So x2 x minus x1 is also two solution, and if you make it square and under roots, is also give you two solution. It doesn't matter if you x1 minus x2 or x2 minus 1, so the distance will be the same. Only the sign is you can see the sign is visible, but distance is the same. Both are 5 5. So example, on a real line number, distance between 6 and minus 2. So here is d1. These are two coordinate system. Like we have to find distance between these two on a real number line here. So this is 6 and this is 2. This is 0. So distance from here, from 6 to 2, and then from 2 to 6. So you can find this by d1 is equal to x2 minus x1. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 8. So if you do d2, which is between x2 and x1, let's say that 6, this is x1 and this is x2. So this is from x2 minus x1, 6 minus 2, we got 8. Let's say 8 centimeter, 8 meter. And here now we gonna try another solution from x1 this way. We did x2 minus 1, now we do x1 minus x2. So x1 is minus 2 minus 6, so it's minus 8 absolute, so it's also 8. So it doesn't matter if you do between x1 and x2 or x2 and x2 minus x1 or x1 minus 2 until and unless it is in absolute. So in absolute we have two solutions. Distance can never be negative, only sign can change. The sign is changed in this coordinate system, but the distance remain the same. So also absolute value have two solution set, like 3 and minus 3. If you make it like this, so we have 3 and minus 3. So we have this is called absolute distance. It's always positive. So we are in mathematics and geometry. So this distance formula, the one I already showed you, x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2. It's only between real number line between 2 points. But we when now we are find the distance. This is the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 square. When you are given on real line, we have only minus 2 and minus 6. So this is 1, this is 1. In this coordinate system, if there is any point, if you want to make it circle, or if you want to make a triangle like this, or if you want to make a triangle, or if you want to make a small circle, so any point in the coordinate system, x dash and y dash. So the distance between 2 points here is, if you want to find the distance between E and F, so E is x3 is x coordinate, y3 is y coordinate, and this point here and this point. So this is point E, which has a coordinate we know that anywhere in the point on the xy plane they have two coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. So this is E, this is F. So F is x pole and y pole. You can say like E is like 2 and -3 or +3 because y is positive, -2, and here is both minus, so you can do -4 or whatever. You don't like this. This is 2 point and 1 point. So if you want to find the distance from here to here between 2 points, this 2 point, so this equation is used, D. What you do, x2 minus x1. So here is x4 minus x3. x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4. This is y2. y4 minus y3 whole square under root. So when you solve these equation distance formula, then this will give you this distance. So this is called xy plane coordinate system to find out the distance between 2 points. So if you want to make a circle, so there will be many points here. So you can find each point in this circle coordinate system using this equation. Distance between A and B is equal to x2 minus xs whole square. Distance between EF. So this is how you can find the distance between 2 points in a coordinate system. Thank you. You got two equations, one for distance between 2 points in a coordinate system and distance between 2 points in a real number. Thank you and have a nice day.